Today I'm going to tell you the uses of has to, have to, had to and will have to. Now I will tell you the Hindi meaning all of them. मुझे करना है, मुझे करना होता है, मुझे करना पड़ता है, मुझे करना पड़ा, मुझे करना पड़ेगा. Now I will tell you how you can use these kind of words in English. So let's see some rules and examples as well. First we will start with the present tense. In the present, the formation would be subject plus has to or have to plus V1 plus object. Let's see some examples. She has to wash clothes. I have to do my work. You have to go to the hospital. These were the examples of present tense. Let's move forward to the past tense. In past, the rule would be subject plus had to plus V1 plus object. I had to go to the hospital. You had to do your work. She had to wash the clothes. Let's move forward to the future tense. In the future, the rule would be subject plus will have to plus V1 plus object. You will have to go to the hospital. She will have to wash the clothes. I will have to do my work. So ladies and gentlemen, these were some examples of has to, have to, had to and will have to. If you like the video, then share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.